This is Wednesday, September 1st. For today, just as an announcement, an all-day bell schedule or all-class bell schedule. For today, we had an agenda scavenger hunt that really, since it's a modified day, that kind of ate up our whole day. We were learning a little bit more about our agendas, how to find our bell schedules, how to find dress codes, how to find homework cards, what your lunch schedule is based on. So we did a huge agenda scavenger hunt based activity today, and then we also finished up our binder check. Reminder, I am taking those grades for binder check, okay? Additionally, you also had some sort of a shoe fact that you had to give to me, as in what kind of shoe you chose. So let me show you guys real quick. What are the benefits of creating an organizational structure, but more or less, you guys gave me just a quick shoe fact on why you chose the shoe that you did for your ongoing shoe project. That is what's going to be due this Friday. That's what I'm going to have you guys present on. All right, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school, and I'll be right here for you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.